Introducing the 2025 Audi A6 S-Line 40 TDI with only 28,157 kilometers on the clock and a 2-litre engine. This luxurious vehicle is packed with comfort, safety and styling features to ensure a smooth and enjoyable driving experience. From satellite navigation to collision avoidance braking, this car has everything you need for a secure and stress-free journey. In addition to its impressive features, this Audi A6 has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty for your peace of mind. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity to own a top-of-the-line vehicle. Call us or visit our website, audicentre.ie, for more information on how you can drive away in this exquisite Audi A6 today.